In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover deleted Google Sheets, Docs, and Slides files, recovering a deleted Google file. If you accidentally deleted a Google Sheet, a Google Doc, or a Google Slides presentation, the good news is that it is often still recoverable, as long as it is still in your Google Drive trash. I will walk you through the exact path to restore it, so it returns to its original location and you can keep working. First, go to Google Sheets in your web browser. You can do this by opening the Google Sheets homepage, where you normally see your recent spreadsheets and templates. From here, you can access the same Google account that also stores your docs and slides in Google Drive, since everything is connected through Drive. On the Sheets page, look near the top area of the screen where you can access your Google Apps menu. Click that area to open the Google Apps options, and then click again on the option that takes you into Google Drive. The goal is simply to get from Google Sheets into Drive, because Drive is where deleted files are managed. Once you are in Google Drive, look to the left-hand side menu and click on Trash. This is where Google places files after they are deleted. Items usually remain here for a period of time before they are removed permanently, so it is a good place to check as soon as you notice something missing. Inside Trash, find the file you want to recover. Click to highlight it so it is selected. Take a moment to confirm you have the right file name, especially if you have multiple versions or similar documents. Selecting the correct file is important, because the next action restores whatever is currently highlighted. With the file highlighted, click Restore. Google Drive will immediately move the file out of trash and put it back where it was before deletion. After restoring, you can return to Google Sheets, Google Docs, or Google Slides and open the file as usual. If you have trouble locating it, check your recent files in Drive, since restored items often appear there right away. And that is all there is to it.